Keep the bells ringing as we get ready for the Tooro American Association Convention from the 22nd to the 25th, 2026. There will be days of togetherness, empowerment, and exciting as we dance with our cultural tunes. Amakondere, Nyamuziga, Ubunyeke. Take the dates on your calendar. From May 22nd to 25th, we will be at Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas. The theme will be bridging cultures and igniting innovation through STEM tourism and trade. This will be exciting and rewarding. Join us at Embassy Suites, Dallas-Fort North, Airport North. Book your room now by scanning the QR code or call 1-800-362-2779. Register now. Adults between 18 and above at only $230. Young adults between 13 and 18 at only $100. And children between 5 and 12 at $30. Payments can be made through CashApp Zelle 202-650-8663 or visit our website www.tooroamericanassociation.org. May 22nd to 25th, 2026. We meet at Dallas, Texas. Make a date.